So Christmas is in like 5 days. So here are some last minute gift ideas for anyone who wants to start doing their nails at home, or maybe you're just looking for some wish list ideas. Baby, I got you. This is my nails at home starter kit, Amazon edition. So this is basically everything that I use to make my own press-on nails with gel polish. First off, you want to start with some nails, right? So 2 different options there for you. If you want something pre-designed, I would check out the BT Art Box nails. If you want to do something fully custom and you're looking for clear nails, definitely check out the Extra Thick Nails by Novo Obo. I also use nail stands. Again, this is because I'm making press-on nails, so I want to be able to work on my nails, do my designs, stick them under the nail lamp, and do all of that on the nail stand. I'm someone personally, I just don't want to keep putting my hands underneath the nail lamp all the time. That's just not something I want to do. That's why I have the nail stands. Next, you're gonna need some gel polish. So again, this is if you're like doing your designs, or if you maybe just want to get like some glitter polish or something to just throw on top of the nails. There are some really great affordable sets on Amazon by Beetles Gel Polish. I've used a bunch of those. I have a bunch of different sets by them. Also, I've started getting into D&D gel polish recently, and I really like their polish. With those polishes, you can get either the shade that you want just as a gel polish. You can get it as a nail lacquer, so that's a regular nail polish that does not need to be cured under like a UV lamp. Or you can get a set where you get the same color in both the gel polish and the nail lacquer together. And that's usually what I buy. This way I can put on my toes too. Next, you're gonna need some builder gel and top coat. I usually use this set right here by BT Art Box. The builder gel is what helps to strengthen your nails. This way they kind of like feel and look like acrylics. This way they're not bending, they're not snapping, they're nice and strong. And then of course you want the top coat at the end to finish off the nails. Next on my list, I personally have started wearing gloves when I'm working with the gel polishes, just because I want to put safety first. I don't want to get any uncured gel on like my hands or anything like that anywhere on my skin while I'm working on the nails. So I'm going to need a nail lamp. This is to cure the gel polishes, your builder coat, your top coat, and also if you're going to work with rhinestone glue, the one I have on here, you need to cure that too. When I started out, I got a beginner friendly nail lamp. I bought that on my birthday this year when I started getting into all of this, making my own press-on nails at home. This one that I have is by Sun UV, and I believe it's their 8V nail lamp. Next on my list, I have lint-free nail wipes. So I basically use these at the beginning and at the end of when I am making my press-on nails. At the beginning, I wipe my nails down with rubbing alcohol to get rid of like any dust from filing my nails, if there's any lint on my nails, because basically if you just leave that there and you just start painting with like your polish or your builder gel, anything that was on your nails is now gonna get in the polish. And then it's gonna get on the next set that you do because you ain't clean up. And then also at the end, after I've fully cured my nails, just to get rid of, I think it's called the inhibition, like, or the tacky layer at the end after curing your nails. Sometimes they might still be a little bit tacky. I will wipe my nails down again with rubbing alcohol. So these last couple of things on the list are for if you want to add some like rhinestones, maybe you want to do some nail charms. I use this rhinestone glue that I got on Amazon. This is what you use. You place it on your nails and then you put the rhinestone or like your nail charms, whatever you're using, on top, and you cure it under the nail lamp. Then I linked this set of rhinestones that I have from Amazon, and I love this. It was like $9 when I got it, and I got all of the rhinestones that you see down there. Like basically you get every color under the rainbow, and I like them because they're small enough for me to really be able to put a lot on my nails and it doesn't look crazy. I hope this was helpful if you're looking for some last minute gifts on Amazon. I will have all of this linked for y'all